applying to the Democracy and Governance MA program, they really marketed the summer exchange. And so this was a major part of my decision to actually pursue this degree. And part of that is, I believe as a global citizen, it's really important to go outside of your home country, which for me is the United States, and explore different places, different perspectives, and different problems in a way that helps me kind of put my own experience into context, as well as better understand the experiences of others.
Our students at Georgetown get often a global perspective, theoretical and technical perspective on the issues of democracy, development, and governance. And we need to be able to see in various contexts how they're applied. And in many ways, Bulgaria is such an important case study of the multiple transformations that have been going on for a while, from authoritarianism to democracy, from and rule of law challenges, and as well as from planned economy to free markets. Our collaboration with AUBG makes it very easy to actually tap into the amazing humans here who are working on such issues. So we get both an academic, policy, and practitioner perspectives. And our students have enjoyed learning more about the context and taking some of these lessons back when they write their reports or start working in international democracy and development agencies.
Well, our students get a pretty good grounding in analytical, conceptual, historical sort of issues related to questions of democratization, democratic transitions, governance, and the rest. But it's only by coming to the field and to countries that have lived these issues that they can really link what they've learned in the classroom to the reality on the ground. So it's clear that this kind of work is essential to making our program really help students understand in a very concrete and policy-oriented way about sort of the challenges of democracy, what can be done, what cannot be done, the constraints, the opportunities. And as I noted before, I think increasingly it's the opportunities here that we see, and perhaps even sometimes more than folks on the ground. So our program at Georgetown really depends on this kind of field experience.
My favorite part thus far has been the smaller conversations that we've had with speakers and with other Bulgarians that we have been able to connect with. There's a lot that we've learned from our sessions, but it's the side conversations, it's the points where you realize you have a lot of personal similarities or political similarities that have really resonated with me throughout this week. And so those smaller pieces, those smaller opportunities to connect with everyone else in this exchange has been my favorite part.
I think the program is unbelievably well organized. The sequencing of lectures and themes makes a great deal of sense. I think our students have really got a lot out of it. I think some of them actually want to come back and do more. So overall, I think the program has been extremely successful.